Hello everyone, my name is Veena Shree. I am pursuing BE in Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore as a computer science engineer in 7th semester. I am here to explain one of the user interface tool that is Photoshop. Photoshop is a photo editing software. It was developed in 1987 by the American brothers Thomas and John Knoll. It is widely used in image editing, create image compositions, website mockups, and adding effects. Photoshop is a tool for web designer to make logo for websites, application designers to create user interface for their applications. Even 3D game developers use Photoshop to create a digital painting of its character in game, and also it was used by the photographers, graphic artists. Digital or scanned images can be edited for use online or in print. There are two types of graphic software. First one, vector graphics. Second one, raster graphic. This software provides many image editing features for raster images as well as vector graphics. In technical language, Photoshop is a raster graphic software, which means it is used to edit the raster graphic. Now let's see the features of the Photoshop. First one, preparing image for web. Photoshop offers number of features that generally enhance your ability to process images for the web. Second one, extracting objects from their background. The extract command provides a sophisticated way to isolate a foreground object from its background. Third one, creating multiple image layout. Photoshop offers new and enhanced feature of expressing multiple images automatically as a contact sheet or constant sheet, picture packages, and navigable HTML pages. Fourth one, adjusting con- contrast automatically. The new auto contrast commands lets you adjust the highlights and the shadows of an image automatically. Erasing area of layer to transparency. It uses to erase the layers to get the transparent one. Fifth one, using a art history brush tool. It helps the user to paint with stylish strokes. User can use the source data from a specific history or snapshot for putting the variety of visual effects. Seventh one, providing enhanced tools and commands. A number of Photoshop tools and commands offers new or enhanced options. Following is the list of some various commands. Visual menu, file menu commands, edit menu commands, layer menu commands, and filter menu commands. Now let's see how the Photoshop works. To work in workshop, first we have to open it on laptop. A welcome screen will appear. To on the left, Photoshop tools will appear, and on the right, layer panels and color panel appears. The working area in the center is known as canvas. When we open workspace, there comes several options like 3D, designer, graphics, and web for graphics and web designing, motion for animation, painting, and photography. Now you can just hit Control N to make a new document, and then you can just change all of your document settings within here, and then we can just press OK to make a new document. Once you have made a new document, you can simply double click on the background to make it into a new layer. To make a new workspace, go to Window, go to Workspace, click on the new workspace and name it as what you want. Then you get a new workspace. To delete, if you want to delete this current workspace, then it is not possible because you have working currently on this active workspace. So you have to go to the another workspace and then delete the previously active workspace. So if you want to delete this, we have seen that how to create the document. So you have to simply hit on Control N to create another document. So you can see here, there is a document which was created. 2 documents. If you want to delete this one, you have to create another one and then you have to delete this one. So there are some Photoshop tools. This is the selection tool. It is used to move part of any image. You have to move means you have to select some picture to edit. So you can see here, I have added a picture. So by selecting selection tool, you can just move anywhere you can want. Crop and slice tool. This is the crop and slice tool. If you want to crop, you have to apply and you can crop it like this. And just hit on this option and you can see that the image is cropped. Measuring tool. It is used to allow you to sample a color from any image so that you can use it on your work. Retouching tool. Here is some tools. I have mentioning some of the tools that are retouching tool. It is used for removing blemishes from image, cleans, stamp, erase or blur. You can see here blur. So you can fix it by using retouching tool. Painting tool. Here is the painting tool where you can have brush, history brush, gradient. Drawing and typing tool. It is the drawing and this is the typing tool where you have pen horizontal type and part selection. Navigation tool. It has hand and you can zoom by using it. Now let's see the advantages and disadvantages of the Photoshop. Advantages. It is a wonderful program with no limits. It can make artwork beautifully. It is greatly used in making presentations and making creative projects. Disadvantages are It is hard for beginners to use. It is not free. No, it is not free. It is slower processing speed due to large size. It is less efficiency in many usage. Now, let's conclude this. Photoshop Elements remains one of the best easy to use image editing applications for PCs and Macs. That's all. Thank you.